Hello, boys and girls. It's time for Numbers Boot Camp. Are you ready? Remember Tuesday we learned about 1, 2, and 3. Today we're going to talk about 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to start with our charts. I have 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so I'm going to flip back and forth like I did earlier in the week, and we're going to add things to our chart. So the first thing we're going to add to our chart is the word form of the number. And if you look at this word says 4. 4. So this is the number 4. So this is going to go on which chart? Number 4. So we're going to put it right here. Okay. Here is the word form for another of our numbers. This word says 5. 5. So which chart should I put this on? The number 5. Good job. So Miss White is going to lift up the 4 chart and put this on number 5. Okay, 5. Can you see that? Okay, and the last word form is 6. 6. So which poster should I put this on? Number 6. That's right. So let's put this on poster 6. So here's the number 6, and I'm going to put this on here. Okay. Now, this is going to be tricky because I'm not going to do these in order. I've got them all mixed up, and remember we have a bunch of different things to look at and to count, okay? Now, do you remember what these are? These are fingers. So let's count the number of fingers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So what poster should I put this on? If you said 4, you're right. Good job. I'm going to put this on poster number 4. It almost didn't want to stick. Okay. I also have these. Do you remember about these? These are stars. Let's count the number of stars on the circle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number? 6. So which poster should I put it on? Yes, poster 6. Here's number 6. And you see number 6? I'm going to put this on here. Okay. Now, let's go to something a little trickier. Who remembers what this is called? This is a 10 frame. 10 frame. Okay, and we want to count the number of circles in the 10 frame. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what poster should I put it on? Number 4. Here we go. It's on poster number 4. Okay. Let's count something else. Oh. Here we go. Do you remember what this is called? This is a domino. Remember? A domino. And we're going to count the number of dots on the domino. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what poster should I put this on? Poster number 5. So I'm going to make sure you can see it. There's our number 5. And I'm going to put the domino right here. Okay. Now we have our counters. These are like the ones that you have in your math box. One side is red and the other side is yellow. Remember seeing those? So let's count the counters together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many did I count? 6. So which poster should I put it on? Should it go here? No. What poster? Number 6. That's right. Okay. Poster number 6. So here's 6. And I'm going to put this on poster 6. Okay. Oh, look, here's another domino. Let's count the number of dots. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what poster do I put it on? Number 4. You guys are getting so good at this. I'm so proud of you. Poster 4 is right here. So let's stick this on the bottom part. Okay, let's see. We have some more of these. What are these? Fingers, yes. Let's count the number of fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let me tell you a little trick, something that Miss White would do. I know that if the whole hand is open, how many fingers are on your hand? 5, right? So I can look at this without counting the fingers and know if the whole hand is up, I have 5. So I can start at 5 and add one more to get to 6. That's a little trick that I wanted to share with you, okay? So what poster am I going to put this on if there are 6 fingers? 6. Poster number 6. So I'm going to make sure you can see it. And Miss White is going to stick this on poster number 6 because I have 6 fingers showing. Okay. Who remembers what these are called? They're tally marks. And we're about to learn something really special about tally marks in just a minute. Let's count how many are here now, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put this on which poster? Poster number 4. Very good. Here we go. Now, let's look at these tally marks. These look a little different, don't they? What happened? Let's count them and see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every time you use tally marks, when you get to 5, you do a diagonal line so that I know without counting, I can look at this and see there are 5 tally marks here. So that makes it easier so I don't have to count each one. When I see that diagonal tally mark across the others, I know that I have 5. So I'm going to put this on poster number 5. You got it. Here we go. Miss White's going to stick this on poster number 5. And those are the special tally marks. That's when one of them starts going sideways. So let's look at the tally marks for this. Look at this. Now, we just learned that if I have a slanted one, how many do I have right here? I don't even have to count them. I know because of that slanted or diagonal line, there are 5. And then I count one more and I get 6. Now let's double check. Just make sure I'm right, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh. See how that worked? So we're going to put these on poster number 6. That's something special about tally marks. It makes them much easier to count when you have that diagonal line and you don't have to count all these little bitty marks on your page. So I'm going to put this on number 6. We'll put it up here. Okay. Now, we've got some more stars. How many stars do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what poster does it go on? Poster number 4. Wow, we're getting close to filling this one up, aren't we? Okay. What is this called? A domino. Let's count the number of dots on the domino. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this domino represents 6. So I'm going to put it on poster number 6. Yes. All right, let's stick this on here. So I'm going to put this one right there. Okay. I have some more counters. You ready to count? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what poster is this one going on? I bet you know. Poster number 4. Okay. Here are some more fingers. Now, remember what I told you about a whole hand being up? How many fingers do you have? 5. Do you need to count them to know that you have 5 fingers? No. So if your whole hand is open, we know without counting that it's 5. But let's check. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you get it? Okay, let's put this on poster 5. Yes, poster number 5. So there's two things special on poster number 5. Number 5, with your hand, I know that a whole hand is 5 fingers. And my tally marks, that's when the tally mark goes diagonal. And so when I have a diagonal, I know without counting that I have 5. So poster number 5 is special, isn't it? Okay, let's look at the 10 frame. How many dots do I have on the 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have another one for poster number 5. Now look at this. This is a 10 frame, which means there are 10 little spots on this. And when the whole top row is full, I know that there are 5 little dots there. So this is going to go on poster number 5. 5 is a super special poster today. Okay. Let's look at another 10 frame. Now, we just learned a little trick about a 10 frame, right? We learned that when the whole row is filled, there's 5. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know there's 5, and then I keep counting 6. So a total of 6 dots means this goes on which poster? Poster number 6. I know you probably hear Miss White's big tape gun. That's what I'm sticking everything down with today. All right, so poster number 6, and I'm going to put this, let's put it up here. And I'll show you the posters when I get finished, okay? I'll also take pictures of them and post them on our Google Classroom. Okay, here are some stars. Are you ready to count the stars with me? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which poster am I putting this one on? Special poster number 5. All right, put it right here. Okay, here we go. These are our counters. Let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have another one that goes on poster number 5, don't we? Excellent job, guys. You did a great job. So I'm going to introduce a couple of new words to you. Do you remember when we talked the other day, I talked to you about first, second, and third? We said if you're first in line, you're the first person. If you're second in line, you're number 2. If you're third in line, you're number 3. So, if you're fourth in line, you're number 4. So if you're the 4th person in line, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's my 4th finger. So you're 4th in line. If you're in grade number 4, you're in 4th grade. Now let's look at 5. The number 5, we're going to use the word 5th. So if I'm number 5 in line, I'm the 5th person in line. Okay? So 5, 5th. If I'm in grade 5, I'm in 5th grade. Did you know Miss White used to teach 5th grade? Okay, let's put this on poster number 5. Okay, finally we have 6th. If you are number 6 in line, you are the 6th person in line. If you're in grade 6, you're in 6th grade. So Ms. White is going to put this on poster number 6. So let's look at our posters and get this put on here. Okay, so we have 4 in word form, and then 4th. And then all the different ways to show 4. Okay, we take this one down. Now let's look at 5. And remember, 5 was a special poster today because we learned about how the 5th or the 5th tally mark makes it so I can just look at this and know that there are 5. A whole hand means 5 fingers, right? I don't need to count them to tell that there's 5 there. So here's 5. Here's the word form 5. And 5 is also 5th. It's the 5th person in line. And then we have 6. 6 in word form looks like this. And if you are number 6 in line, you're the 6th person in line. Okay, I hope you enjoyed Numbers Boot Camp today, and I'll be back with some more lessons soon. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.